Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll walk you through creating a project in XTEN-AV. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and selecting Create Project under Projects from the dashboard menu. Fill in details like the project name, group members, account name, contact name, and other information. Moreover, you also have an option to create an account, contacts, or groups directly from this page. Click Next to proceed. Enter your project budget, stage name, start date, and procurement dates, then hit Submit. The Create a Design dialog box will open, prompting you to create a design under a newly created project. For this demonstration, let's choose the XDraw method. Name your design and decide on the number of designs you want to create. You can choose to start your design with a floor plan or go with line schematics. Choose your desired template and click Create Design. You will see that your new design has been created. Following this, you can perform various tasks under the Actions tab, such as the Add Design option to add another design to this project. Download a zip file, upload floor plans, edit the project under Project Settings, or share projects with other team members under the Collaboration tab, etc. Thank you for choosing XTEN-AV. For more tutorials and insights, visit XTEN-AV.com.